Hello everybody, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna make a dish named 牛肉炖西红柿, which translates to beef tomato stew. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. Stewed beef, tomatoes, or if you're feeling lazy, you can also use canned stewed tomato. Potatoes, soy sauce, garlic salt, chicken bouillon, or if you can find oyster sauce in Asian grocery store. For the spices, star anise and red pepper if you want to taste a little bit spicy, but this too is optional if you don't have it. Let's season the beef. Put the beef into a plastic bag, also all the seasonings, and you can sit in the fridge for a couple hours, let it absorb. Soy sauce, garlic salt, mix it up, and it's ready. Next, let's cut up the vegetables. Cut it into the same size as your beef chunk. Now let's cut up the potatoes. Now all the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. Let's turn the stove to high and wait the pot to be hot. Add some olive oil. Put the beef in it. Until the beef color change, let's put tomato in it. Press the tomato a little bit, let the juice out. Now let's add the spices in it. Now we can see the juice from tomato is out. It's time for potatoes. I will transfer this to a deeper pot and let it simmer. Add some water to it. Let it almost cover the ingredients. Now it's time for the chicken bouillon. Turn the stove to medium and let it simmer for 15 minutes. When the potato is soft, that means it's ready to go. You can taste it before you take it off the stove. Add some salt if needed. If you have green onions at home, you can add some green onion on top of it to give it some color. Your beef tomato stew is ready. So let's welcome today's special guest taster, Jake, to have a try. Jake?
Ooh, looks good. It's got a real nice flavor. Not too strong on the meat, and just great on the sauce. I think I'll have another bite. Very good, Christine.
Thank you for cooking with me in Big Fan Secret Kitchen. I hope you like this dish. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.